Knitting Tutorials by Miarti. Cast on a multiple of 10 stitches and add 2 edge stitches for the base. Slip the first edge stitch and work in 2x2 rib stitch, alternating 2 knit stitches and 2 purl stitches for 10 rows total. Row 11. Knit all stitches until the end of the row. Row 12. Purl all stitches until the end of the row. Repeat rows 11 and 12 2 more times to complete 6 rows total. Row 1. Change to a different color yarn at the edge stitch to start the pattern. Knit 5 stitches and drop down 5 rows below to create the bubble effect. Pull up a loop from each stitch of the vertical row and knit the stitch behind it carefully. Repeat this pattern sequence until the end of the row. Row 2. Slip the first edge stitch and purl 2 stitches together until the end of the row. Row 3. Knit all stitches until the end of the row. Rows 4, 5, 6. Work as established in stockinette stitch to build the texture. Introduce a different color yarn and repeat the first row process. Repeat the second row process with the new yarn color. Row 3. Continue working as established up to row 6 with the current color. Change yarn color again and repeat the pattern from row 1 to row 6 to continue the project.